Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why y'all mad, my pockets fat cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out. Just put a bottle on the model and she pulled her pants down. My bitch was here, she have a fit, so I'm about to head out.
What's up, my family gang? It's me, Destiny, here, and today I got a real good video for y'all. So we are going to be going to the Bristol Casino. Okay, so it just opened up. Today is the grand opening, and it is like a soft opening because they're not done building all the building up or whatever. It's just a, what should I say, a rough opening, I guess. They're going to make it big and grand, okay. Anyway, without further ado, if y'all want to ride along with us, let's go. So you guys, what's up? It's me, Destiny, here, back, and we're at Chili's before we go to the casino, and Zuri's here. Not going to the casino, but she's still there. Anyway, so we're gonna order our food. You already know, and we'll be back when our food gets here to do a little review on how it tastes.
Think us when we go ahead and order, or what?
Why are you looking like that, baby? You gotta mix it up,
They
right?
got real lemons.
This is the blackberry lemonade. Zuri has the strawberry lemonade.
Like it's the real lemons.
Zuri has the blackberry. Okay, y'all, so we got our food, and this is my plate. Got baby's plate.
Corn? You got corn?
You got Zuri's.
Is it
She
yummy?
don't like the tomatoes, so she put them to the side. Okay, about to dig in. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to dig in. Let me walk over here so y'all can see a little bit. See if our steak is well done. And don't just be like, oh, look at the way she cut that steak, haters. It's well enough. I got some good old seasoning. And I always just cut my corn off. I don't know why. Because it's good like that. I just dumped that right here on me.
Oh, he wanted, what were they now? The cheese bites?
I'll put that right in, guys. I'll be right back.
That's the total. 50. That's real good. So, my blackberry lemonade. I go to free corn. Yeah, I cut it off the cob. I don't have time to be burning because it's gonna mess up my line on my lips. Haha. Okay, y'all, so Chili's was good or whatever. Now we ready into the Bristol Casino. Let's see what we can get into, or what we can win, shall I say. So we're still on our way. It's raining like cats and dogs. Okay guys, we're going into the casino. It's raining like crazy shit. Somebody straight cigarettes. So now we're gonna get some change. Okay, y'all, so we leaving the casino now. It was fun. Get your feet out my video, Zuri. It was fun. Anyway, we're gonna come back tomorrow because there was a lot of people who wasn't jackpots. We didn't get a jackpot, but we won our money back that we spent. So all in all, it was a win. So this is what it's going to look like, y'all. This is just a rough draft of what we just came.
We can leave you upstairs in the room.
But this is what it's going to look like after they really fix it through everything.
The real one will open up until 2024.
It's 2024, but they just had to open up the regular right now. But we had fun, y'all. We're on our way back to the crib.
We get a room.
Okay, y'all, this is the wrap up. Okay, so our food at Chili's was awesome. The casino was lit. If you're new here, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe. To my OGs, what's up?